Hey guys, welcome to another MTS opening. Today we're going to open a in-flight models Convair 990. This is the another release of an American Airlines Convair 990. We've also got some of the other releases that have just kind of hit the shelves. So some beautiful stuff. Another NASA, another Scandinavian, Swiss Air Varig. This is a new edition, the Ports of Call. Let's go ahead and open this American. Show you how she looks. The polish on this model is just fantastic. Take a look at that. So these are all available on the website. Take a look and order what you need.